In this video, we're going over the top 5 problems on this 3rd generation Hyundai Tucson. Now, there's nothing wrong with this vehicle. There's nothing wrong with buying one or owning one. All vehicles have their problems. These are the top 5 that we have found. Number 1, the speed sensor. Now, it's located in the transmission, and some of the symptoms you're going to find is the check engine light on and the vehicle is shifting erratically. So if you have any of these symptoms, at least it's probably not your transmission. It's just going to be that sensor. It's going to be cheaper to replace and easier. Number 2, the airbag control module. Now, it's only on certain vehicles have a problem with the airbag control module, and it controls the deployment of the airbags. Now, the symptom for this is the airbag may not deploy properly during an accident. If you have a concern about this, you want to check with your local dealer. Number 3, a software glitch in the radio. Now, you may find you have different symptoms of the radio not working properly or even no sound coming out of the radio. Now, what you want to do if you have this symptom is do a hard reset. And how you do that is disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, wait for 15 minutes, and then reconnect the battery. Now, this is kind of like your computer at home. If you have a glitch in your computer, generally you restart the computer. That's what you're doing to the radio system. Now, at this time, there doesn't appear to be any software updates, so this is the repair for this situation. After doing this, it probably won't happen again, but it might. Number 4, an acceleration issue due to a software glitch. The symptom you're going to notice when you go to accelerate rapidly, there's going to be a delay. If you have this symptom, you're going to want to contact your local dealer. Number 5, the EVAP temp sensor. Now, the symptom you're going to find is your air conditioning isn't working properly. What's actually happening is the computer system isn't getting the correct readings from the temperature sensor and causing the AC not to work properly. So if you replace that sensor, everything should be back to normal. So there's our top 5 problems for this Hyundai Tucson. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.